I'll show you the example of how to create the coupons. Okay, coupons in e-commerce when you are going to purchase any product. So what is coupon? As we know that the coupons are normally used for uh, discount. So when we are purchasing a product, we are selecting that product and sending to cart. Then normally the appears there it appears for the coupon code. If you have anything, then it will give you further discount. Okay. So what is the purpose? Purpose is nothing but to attract new customers or to encourage repeat purchase for the existing customers, or the new customer is coming and say has purchased one and saw that it is coming in a cheaper price, so he will purchase more, or uh, promote special deals. So that I am creating a new product, and for first 7 days I'll give in a discounted rate. So that also I can set. And what is the type? Means type of the coupons means you can create percentage discount. So let's say your product price is 500, so you are giving 10% discount, means 50 rupees discount will be there. Fixed discount, you can give flat 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees discount. And even for the free shipping also we can use the coupon. Means if you are using the coupon, you will get free shipping, else the shipping charges will be there. So this is also another kind of encouraging customers. Okay. So let's see how to create the coupon. Okay. Now in the marketing section there is an option called coupons. So if we click here, we'll go to the coupon code. Fine. Or else we can come from WooCommerce and then coupons. Okay. It will take you to the same. Create new coupon window. So there is add new coupon. So we clicking here. So in this add new coupon, you have to give the coupon code. I'll give 10% discount on a particular product. So I am say that launching my new black t-shirt. So I will give 10% coupon on my black t-shirt. Okay. So let that coupon name I am selecting discount is 10. So you can give a description that 10% discount on my new black t-shirt. So there is general, usage restriction and usage limit. So in general, you have three types. One is percentage discount, one is fixed cart discount, and fixed product discount. Okay. So I can give a percentage, means that I was saying if you are giving 10% discount, so it will take a percentage of that particular amount. Fixed cart means if the total cart value, means whatever the total cart value, on that I will give some fixed fixed discount, 100 to 150, and fixed product discount. So for a particular product, fixed discount. Fine. So these three types of discounts are there. Let's see the percentage discount. And let I am giving 10% discount. Okay. Now you can give your allow free shipping. So in this coupon itself, the free shipping will also be given. So I am not checking it right now. You can select here the coupon expiry date. So today is 22nd of January. So let if I'm giving 31st January, so that coupon will be valid till 31st. So after 31st January, there will be no validity of this coupon. So let it blank means it will be valid till I am not fixing it. So then usage restriction. So minimum spend, we can say that if people are purchasing let minimum 500, then only I'll give the discount. Okay, and that way I can fix the maximum spend also. So if you are giving 1,000, so that means so 500 to 1,000 people are purchasing, and only they will use that coupon. Not below that, not more than 1,000. Okay. So right now I am not fixing up the maximum spend. Okay. Then here is the product. For which product you want to give. Okay. So as I was saying, so I want to select it for my black t-shirt. You can exclude the product. So if you are selecting anything here, so that particular product will be excluded. Else no need to give, because I have given already product to be included. So rest of the product is excluded. Then you can set the product category. For which category you want to give. Uh, you can exclude the category uh, and allowed emails. Okay, so you can give even for the particular emails for a particular customer. If they're uh, giving that particular email, then only they'll get discount. So this is the usage restriction, and this is the usage limit. So usage limit per coupon means, let if I am giving 100. So I decided that for first 100 customers I will give this coupon. So it is also encouraging or creating the urgency to the customer that okay, if we are being within the first 100, then only we will get the discount. Fine. So you can set the limit, and accordingly you can market your product. So I'm not giving right now here. So let everybody get that. And usage limit per user. So for a particular user, I can give it 2. So that means one particular user only can have 2 times, not more than that. Okay. So this was my open setup. So my coupon code is this 10, and this is valid for black t-shirt, and that is 10% discount. Okay. Now publish this. So my coupon is published. Okay. This new coupon updated, and if I am going for I am seeing the option coupons, so I can see my coupon list 10 is ready. So 10% discount on my new black t-shirt. Okay. Now let's see how is it working. So I'm going to my shopping page. Okay. So here is my black t-shirt. Let's see. I'm going to cart. So you can see, you can view the cart from here itself, or else you can go from here itself. So if we are seeing the view cart, so here is the black t-shirt, which price is 800 rupees. You have given one quantity. Now see the coupon code is coming. If you give the coupon code DISC10 and apply coupon, okay. Now see the discount 80 rupees is coming. That is the 10% on 800 rupees, and final price will be 730. Okay. Now if you proceed to checkout, it will, you have to pay now 720. Got my point? Now going back to my shop page, I am removing this cart. Now coming to other product, red t-shirt. Okay, red t-shirt I have added to my cart. I am going to view the cart. Now here its price is 700. Now if I apply this coupon code and apply, it is saying that sorry, this coupon is not applicable to selected product. That means what I did the coupon is only valid for my black t-shirt. Okay, so that is why for red t-shirt, for this red t-shirt, it is showing that that is not valid. So understood, I think, what is the coupon. Now let's see, the coupon can be also the fixed price. So I'll give for black t-shirt, um, let this is now fixed product discount. I'll give 100 rupees discount. That is a fixed discount. Right? I'm operating that. Now going back to my shop page, operating the shop page, then add to cart. I'm going to view cart. Now if I apply this, still now it is showing 800 rupees. Total is 800. If I apply this coupon, so see now the flat discount of 100 rupees is coming. Okay, so now price is 800 rupees. So there is another type of discount. Okay. Now removing this. So I'll see the next option, that is fixed cart discount. So if the cart value, whatever the cart value is, so on that there will it, I am saying, say 300 discount on the total cart value. Okay. So we'll do what another thing here. In usage discount, I am not giving to the product because I am selecting the fixed card discount 300 rupees. So update it. Now go to shop page. Say okay. Now I'm selecting black t-shirt. Okay. Add to cart. Then red t-shirt, add to cart. Now if I'm seeing the view card, so it is showing I have two things. One is red t-shirt 800 rupees and 700 rupees. Okay, and see now the coupon is already applied on the cart, so that flat 300 rupees discount has come and you are getting it 1200 rupees. So it is on the cart price. Okay, and even you are applying the coupon, it will, the result is fine. So this was the uh, fundamental of the coupon, or the usage of the coupon in commerce and how to create. Okay, so I hope you have understood the usage and the creation process of the coupon in commerce.